seen. So just if I see this log, this is how I actually took some dummy data here. So the dummy data here goes for like say, let's say there are something like you could see there are like missing values here. There are like some phone addresses that are missing, and there are like that because our user is the same. Let's say like the Jan Doe, he purchased headphones once. Jan Doe purchased mouse once. Let's say we have a e-commerce project. Like before we actually get this into ML model, what I had to do is like try to remove duplications, try to, like not the model to get confused. When it has empty values, it gets a lot of confusions. So that's where we'll try to remove these empty values using, because this is actually a small data set. You could actually use Excel and just like remove and like fill, uh, you know, use Excel commands and fill. But like when there are like huge data sets, that's where you could, I think like a small to medium data sets, you could use pandas. Like since this data is even like 110, like we could you take pandas library as for our benefit here. And let's say this is how, yeah, I think like this is done, this is done, this is done. Use pydoid, yeah. Import pandas as PD. So here to run the code, either you could click on this run or just shift plus enter, like if you are using it for the first time. So if it gets for next line, so that means your command is right. And let's say if I give something wrong and I start running to, as you could see, there is no module named pada. If it does not go for next line, that means there is an error that you had to solve. So it gives